Guten Morgen, Mittag, Abend, die Live No Cooker, No Cookerinnen. Endlich geht es weiter beim nächsten Live is Strange. Ich komme mittlerweile um die 6. Folleg. Es sitzt ein Morris mit einem guten frischen Kamillentee, so blöd wie das doch klingt. Voilà, an der letzten Folge schon mal waren beim Dontnod Entertainmen. Wir haben enger dem Juliet, ich weiß nicht mehr wie, bewiesen, dass Dontnod nicht mit seinem Freund gesext hat, weil wir wie ich in den himmlisch am Skopieren waren, dann E-Mail rausprinten. Also weiter so fort, mit dem Laptop durchgewollt, am Misolo am Schulhof, wohin so ein Typ einen Football an den Schniss gehauen hat, ein Mann auf Frauenmensch. Da kann man letzte Folge leider nicht verhindern, so unwichtig wie das ist, war ein ziemlich wichtiger Moment. Und damals ging es so, wir sprangen einfach mal voll mal dran. Wir sind noch an der Episode 1, Quasi sind in Dormitories, und wir rennen mal Flashdrive von der Vollgas. Continue. Ja, leider habe ich bis auch just Episode 1, den Rest muss ich mal noch zulegen. Ja, ich habe will es das alles zu machen. Du kannst mich um eine Kontrolle erwähnen, weil ich okay Plan wird lebt. Hallo, hallo. Ah.
Ow! That hurt!
Damn,
Can I
better
that?
rewind.
Ah, hallo. Ja, da tun wir letzte Folge schon ein Ticket.
Get
Hey,
lost,
Zach.
hipster. I'm not doing any interviews. Fuck this shit.
Ow! That hurt!
I could almost feel sorry for him if
Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any interviews.
Ich glaube, ich direkt mit ihm schwätzen. Geht gar nicht.
I feel like Alyssa and I should be better friends.
Ja, boah. Ich kriege die letzte Folge schon nicht hin, das ist schon verloren nicht. Rachel owes me money. Pay
Don't
up,
take it out on the
bitch.
tree, loser.
Das hat doch angeritzt, oder was? Kann ich nur mit ihm
Ouch, poor
schwätzen?
Alyssa. That'll leave a bruise.
You idiot!
Get
Bitch!
lost, hipster. I'm not doing any interviews.
Fuck you, Spast. Nee. Knappe Scheinskill. Nee. Ich muss da irgendwie. Nee. Oh. Mieser, Schuff vergiss ich. Ah, der Knappsche war es. By the way, thanks, but we're not friends. Fuck you, Victoria. Ehrlich. Da ist es. Für war mal die Hand nach nicht aus dem schönen Kalender, hey. Ich weiß nicht. Was hat der Papa jetzt gleich geschrieben? Schönen Geburtstag.
Fuck
Santos.
this shit.
I always get a little giddy when I think about having my own room here.
Have to meet up with Warren in the parking lot. Athletic, main building. Oh, steck schon laufen. Hey, go to the parking lot. Yeah!
So don't think I'm blind.
Piece
I
of
see
cake.
everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
Oh, gehen wir bestimmt
You
noch
can't
mal
fool
erwischt.
me. I know everything about this school. I cover the waterfront. So you better figure out what side you're on.
Please, leave me
Komm, du
alone.
los mich noch rasch bringen. I wanna intervene. Ah, shit.
Hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for nothing, Max.
Man, I should have stepped in between Kate and David. That asshole was so over the line.
Das Problem
I could
ist,
rewind and try something different.
am Moment tun wir einen Beweis, für wann ein schlimm geht, dass der ein Komma bloß, dass der mega pissig war. Wenn wir nur angreifen, dann hört er es auch noch im Kicker. Das heißt, ich gehe halt für mal mit der Rolle weiter, dass da stehen Base sind, für Hanno, der gut in zu sehen. Ah, nicht schlecht, Timmy, nicht schlecht. Yeah, music. Wanna dance? Ich muss sagen, die Musik, die ist so geil gewählt an dem Spiel. Und schon nicht auf der Lift, dass das so gehirlos gut passt, gell. Das ist so alles. Für allem auch, was mega cool ist bei ihnen, sie haben, cool, für Let's Play, nicht cool, sie haben ege Musik dran.
Man, I should have
Echt?
done something. That guy was an asshole.
Ja, das war mega Pisse. Weil sie am Anfang dat net oft die ege Musik dran. Sie hun vieles, dass sie Musik von andere Künstler dran hun
I don't get
dann
it. How could Zach and Victoria do that to me?
Copyright Claims an so in de Kalte.
Hi, Juliet. How are you doing?
Oh, hey, Max. Sorry, I'm still screwed up.
Ja, dit mal leid. Furchtbar
Sorry you had
leid.
to find out about Zachary that way. Or anyway.
Better sooner than later. Now that skank Victoria won't be laughing behind my back anymore.
Have you talked to Zach yet?
Mr. Badass Football Hero is such a chicken shit. He said he sexted Victoria as a joke. Ha ha. I think Warren wants your attention.
He usually does. Hang in there, Juliet.
See you around, Max.
Es war net Framensch wo dem Sack geschrieben huet, me de Sack hat den Framensch geschrieben an Doren sos gang oder sie schon total verbellt. Shit
I
Tat.
wonder how long before Samuel has to repaint that.
Tat. Ja. Das ist bestimmt der Warren.
Come on over here.
Das ist ja genauso nerd wie mir. The fuck?
And there's Warren. Did he actually buy a used car?
Ich bin mir froh, dass ein Auto hat.
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash.
Wann
Thanks.
schläft?
No problem. Check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
Oh ja.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren.
Yep.
But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
I bet. I heard
Fucking
Victoria got a
day.
face full of paint. I'd pay money to see a photo of that.
Ja, doch.
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
Nope.
No,
Sorry.
I've been way too busy with class and life.
Damn, girl, you had it like a year.
Or a week. I did browse through all the titles, drama queen.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
Yep.
Seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Geil.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
Ja, ist ja ziemlich sarkastisch. Fand ich geil. Faster Pussycat, kill, kill.
No, I was impressed you had faster pussycat kill kill.
Russ Meyer was a genius of black and white. Plus, babes with breasts.
Who would beat your sensitive ass down?
If I was lucky.
Movies.
Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
Oh komm, hier ist
I
als
need to
bäschte
talk to somebody.
Kolleg.
Just to get it out of my system.
Dr. Warren Graham is in the house. I won't even prescribe you any meds. Tell me everything.
Oh, das geht komisch,
For
ja.
reals, Warren, this is between you and me, not social media.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing. Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
Oh, merde.
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell me what you told the principal? Now. Answer me, bitch!
I told him
Hey,
the
give it
truth. The
fresh.
student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why
So,
he dragged me into his
fresh?
office.
And did what, give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though. They try.
Ah, kleine Psycho.
You should talk to somebody, Nathan.
Do not analyze me! I pay people for that. Worry about yourself, Max Caulfield.
War das ein Drohung?
Take a step back, Nathan Prescott.
Ja, kriegst
Oh
voll
man,
auf Maul.
you're telling me what to
Get
do?
away from her, dude!
Nobody tells me what to do. Not my parents, not the principal, or that whore in the bathroom.
Ja, man,
Max?
verpasst den mal ein.
Chloe?
No way. You again.
Oh, bro, I got this!
Get in, Max!
Putain.
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run! Nobody! Nobody!
Leck mich am Arsch. Krass.
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up and dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe.
Das ist geil geschehen.
After 5 years, you're still Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously
course I
glad to
am.
see you.
Ah, voilà.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Yes,
By
it's
the way,
been
I
that
saved
kind
your
of day.
life early on.
So what did that freak want with you?
Yep,
Hopefully nothing
like
after
X.
today. So, how do you know Nathan?
He's just another Arcadia asshole. Your friend really took a beat down for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
You're not the only one in debt. And you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
Haben wir immer schlecht gewissen oder? Ja, irgendwas schon
I
bestimmt.
guess. It was cool, but I felt kind of lonely, out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're still a smartass.
Geil.
That's why I'm here.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
Only
For Mark Jefferson. He was a pretty famous photographer in the 90s. I've always loved his work.
Those that can't do, teach. I'm glad you found a good reason to come back.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Ganz
I wanted
ehrlich,
to.
ganz ehrlich.
I was just so tripped out over leaving Arcadia.
Oh, please. I'm sure your phone and laptop were frozen in time.
You're merciless.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliche geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
Jetzt hat ein geilen Auto. Dicke, fette Pickup, man. Geil, rastig. Oh ne.
Man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes.
Oh no.
Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific, tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage. And he
Nice.
actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max.
Thanks for saving my bird. Das hat mir noch ein Kugel aufgekriegt. Und ich weiß nicht, ob wir mir ein Kugel aufkriegen, mir Zeit noch zurückdrehen können. Schwer, schwer, schwer. Ich fand den Pickup so geil, gell? Das ist so Stil. Mir da so den Hipster,
Come on in,
ne,
don't be shy.
Klischee.
The house still looks nice.
Home, shit, home.
Oh, amerikanische Pfandler dir. I'm from America. And I'm so free. Yeah. Hold to another universe überlinks. Ziemlich cool. Du sagst mit Mama gemalt. Think like a man.
My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it.
It's cool. At least we can chill out.
This isn't exactly my chill-out zone. My step-Fuhrer makes sure of that. Come in and
What?
close the door.
Step
Put on some
Fuhrer.
music while I medicate.
Get alle drin gekifft. Are you smoking pot? Chloe.
Hard to believe Chloe was my BFF just 5 years ago.
Ja, das voll den de Raue gehen und du bist voll den war das ein
Chloe
Hipster,
was
du bist ein
always taller
Nerd.
than me. We made her dad keep track of her height. Chloe's dad built this dresser.
Ich glaube nicht, dass sie doch wollen.
Oh, this is a flashback to youth. Our super secret closet lair.
Ah ja.
Old cardboard boxes.
Mal gucken. Oh,
Dude, you broke my glass snow dough. Thanks.
nope. Not going there. Bag.
This looks like a laundry bag.
Well, dann aber
And it
schwuler
reeks like dirty laundry. Gross.
Oh my.
This
Foto.
postcard is from Rachel Amber.
Miss you. Wish you were here. Poster. Wer ist das?
I'm not into them. Too pretentious.
Ja, das
Hey,
ist
that
Profi
TV used
was.
to be in the living room.
Ja, Powerstrip. Strom. Engines on. Und dicke fette Boss.
Now, let's see what
rumzulassen.
kind of music Chloe is into these days. Chloe's trash overfloweth.
Hat mal eine
Who'd
Rechnung.
have thought Chloe wouldn't pay her parking tickets?
Protokoll,
She
Protokoll,
does love
Protokoll.
trouble.
Ei. Wo ist den Mucke? Soll doch Musik machen. Suitcase. Bayer?
Nothing but
Zigaretten?
junk in this suitcase.
Junk. War ein Freshheit für ein gut Bix Bayer. Mit der gesagt, die Bixen am Boden die Rot gesagt, beide aus wie. Gib mal ein Google an der Google der Hipster Ale. Richtig geilen Bixen Bayer. Mondikas. Wo fandst du alle Musik? Alter, bist du Gag? So.
I think this
No.
junk swallowed her
CD.
discs.
CD! Oh. Dann Laptop.
She looks super happy. She
Ja,
looks
cool
super
Foto.
sad. She
Oh, das
looks
Selfie.
super stoned.
Super stoned. Yeah! Köcht.
I wonder what
Pictures.
Chloe keeps in here.
Das hat bestimmt nicht dagegen, wenn man hier gucken.
Look at that.
Me and Daddy.
Chloe and her dad were so close.
Da war seine ganz live mit normalen Haar. Mit einem Museum. Mit einem Museum. Katze, jemand voll den Renner da. Facebook. E-Mailen. Überall Katzen. CD. Ist die noch geklaut oder? Ist das ein
Hey, give me that.
Zwillingsschwester
Sorry,
oder?
I wasn't trying to be nosy. Obviously, she was.
Ah, das ist das, wo vermisst ist.
Putting it
Ah,
mildly.
fuck, ich Idiot. Filzfremeues. That's Rachel Amber.
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
Yeah, I put them up. She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved, I felt abandoned. Rachel saved my life.
Man, I had no idea.
Well, you never made much effort to find out. I was 14. We were best friends.
Na, komm mal, mal ein Beispiel. Immer X geholt. Ich bin nie vergessen mit 20 Stunden. Und ich will nicht so, dass, Rachel hat mir Platz geholt. Ich bin dick neidisch und so, dass wir dick kacke. Bam!
I never forgot. Even if I was an asshole and didn't keep in touch. But you had Rachel.
And I
Rachel
had
had my
nobody.
back. We were gonna kick the world's ass. You would laugh at how different we were. She wanted to be a star.
She looks like a model.
That was her plan. Our plan. Get the hell out of Bigfootville and into Los Angeles.
LA. So what happened?
So what happened? Did your folks, your mom, try to stop you?
My mom was too busy hooked up with Sergeant Shithead.
I feel the love. Now, when did Rachel actually disappear?
6 months ago, She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me.
How do you know?
How do you know she disappeared? Maybe she wanted to start a totally new life.
Unlike you, she would have told me, okay? Something happened to her.
I believe you. I'm just trying to get all deductive.
Before Rachel left, she said she met somebody who changed her life. Then poof.
And you haven't heard anything from her since?
Scheiße.
Like everybody in my life. My dad, you, and Rachel. Gone. Can you put on some music now?
Dann hat sich aber richtig schön Druck in dem Mädchen sein Leben zu verändern, ne? Dass das so schnell einfach abhaut. Und schon gefühlt, wir müssen ein bisschen mehr Zeit mit dem Chloe verbringen. Du bist im Aufkacken, mir in der Länge los, der dann hat der Länge los, oder es gekidnappt ging, oder wir wissen nicht, wer der Papa ist gestorben. Das sind allen Bots und allen Ansammlung von Sachen, die nicht ganz glücklich sind. Hallo, Zeit für Mucke. Weil so richtig geile raue Punken, da sind ich mega glücklich. Na. Gut, Passportspieler bei der Rest, was soll es? Light it up.
Anyway, you can find tools to fix your camera in the garage.
Chloe, are you okay?
Sure, I'm awesome. I just want to blaze and be alone for a moment.
Jo man, dämmt dich so an dummer da so nicht. Vielmals merci für no gucken. Vielmals merci für no lauschen. Ich hoffe, gefällt dir
I
genauso
should have
gut wie
bought Chloe
mir.
now. Plus, I need those tools.
Wenn der Welt, wenn dich gefällt, dann lose like, den Kommentar, dealt das Video, macht was ihr wollt. Spread the word. Vielmals merci, bis zur nächsten Folge. Ciao.